The same, I had some deadline to meet, and that's why I have not been able to upload any video, but all the same I have a new video. Kindly watch till the end, subscribe, and thank you so much for the support. And yeah, I appreciate it. Like we did some meat, potatoes, some hizi zinaitwa aje, meshiri. I don't remember how they are called in English. If you know, just mention in the comment section. So we have meat, we have potatoes, we have carrots, both sliced carrots and grated carrots. I'm going to add some soup here so that we can make the stew. And it smells so nice. And by the way, I have to add some some spices, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to add. Here are my spices, and I'm going to add some coriander, as you can see. What else am I going to add? I already added some salt, so I'm going to add some mixed spices here, little because of the babies. Then we have the soy sauce. This is what I use, the light one, the light superior soy sauce. I'm going to use that. Then on top here I have this beef masala, because the meat we are cooking is beef, so I'm going to add some beef masala. Oh, it's hot in here. What else? I don't think there is anything else. And before that, I have to reduce the fire a bit. Then I'll add some water here. Yeah, I'm going to add some little water. This is hot water, by the way, so that I can speed up the process. I'm going to use the hot water. I need to add a little more. I think that's okay. So I'm going to add my spices. I'll start by adding some beef masala, just little bit of it, that's enough. Then I'm going to add some coriander, just little bit of it, that's enough. Then from there I have the mixed spices here, just kidogo, that's enough. Then from there I'm going to add my soy sauce here. I'm not putting a lot, just a little bit of it. By the way, I don't like the color of the soy sauce, but I do love the taste of it. So there we go. I'll leave it for some time to cook, and then I'll plate it. We fear that the lights might go off anytime, and you know how it feels when there is no lights. It's very boring. So yeah, that is it. I'm going to cover it to boil a bit, and then we have already prepared some rice here. Yeah, the rice is ready. So I'll show you after I serve. I have to cover all this because I'm using one hand to record, then I'm using the other hand to do the stars. Then I have some coriander here, and I'm taking my tea there. Nowadays I'm addicted to tea, by the way. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. It smells so nice, so I'm directly going to serve it. No, I don't need to use this, so I'll just use this one to serve. It smells now so nice. I love this rice, like it cooked very well. I'm peeling off. My hand is not strong enough. Acha niwape food. Oops. And the food is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and you can come we enjoy together.